let me ask you this. Are you over 40, 50, 60, maybe even 70, and still wondering why your videos are not getting found on YouTube? Well, here's the thing. Copying younger creators might get you a few clicks, but it won't build your tribe. You see, one of my clients, Dr. Connie Numbers, she's 77 years old. She's a psychotherapist and spiritual teacher, and she's just proved this in the most inspiring way. And I'm going to share her story with you in a moment. But first, let's talk about why copying is just keeping you stuck. Now, I see this all of the time. Midlife creators lifting titles and thumbnails, even the bloody delivery style from someone else's channel. I mean, that is literally plagiarism. But that doesn't bring your people, it brings theirs. So when you're in your 40s, your 50s, your 60s, 70s, your real advantage is not imitation, it's authenticity. And the truth is, your spirit is becoming burnt out from overthinking YouTube. What you really need is to feel grounded in your own authentic self. So if copying doesn't work, what does? Well, that's where the ANTI-Playbook comes in. Now, the ANTI-Playbook says this: model for inspiration, not imitation. Yes, learn from titles and thumbnails and hooks, but then bring your quirks, your perspective, your stories, because that's what creates Heartbrand connection. That's what attracts your tribe. And even if you're a creator in your midlife, or second season as I like to call it, you've got something that younger creators can't fake. Do you know what it is? Let me know in the comments. Of course, it's your lived experience, which is exactly why age isn't a weakness. It's your YouTube superpower. Now, a lot of people, they fear ageism online. But here's the truth. Your age is your advantage. And I'm sure I've rammed that home quite a few times already in this video. You see, your perspective, your stories, your wisdom, they can't be replicated. And what really gets you found is not beating the algorithm. It's creating a YouTube community that rallies around your values and your voice. Later life content resonates more deeply than this trendy content from younger creators, just because simply you've lived it, you've walked the path. And some of the most unconventional discovery hacks that I've seen come from creators in their 40s, 50s, 60s and 70s who focus on these three things: consistency, storytelling, and creating a connection, instead of all these gimmicks. So if you've ever thought I'm too late to start, guess what? You are not too late. You are right on time. The real secret to getting found on YouTube is not copying the playbook. It's building your own. Now just let that sink in for a minute. So here's what you need to do. Anchor your content to your story and clarity of purpose. Okay, use problem-based keywords that your audience is already searching for. Package it with curiosity, titles, thumbnails that will help people just lean into you. And above all, show up with imperfect confidence, because Heartbrand connection beats perfection every single time. Now, let me go back to Dr. Connie Numbers. And let me tell you how she took those steps and how it all turned out. You see, she's 77 years old, a psychotherapist and a spiritual teacher from the US. 2 weeks ago, she launched her channel. No fancy edits, no copying anyone else, just her quirks, her voice, and her storytelling. Her very first video hit 700 views, and she gained over 100 subscribers. And now with just 4 uploads, she's absolutely flying. But why? Because she's leaned into the ANTI-Playbook, and you can too. She didn't copy anyone. She just trusted her own voice, and she let her story do the work. You have stories too. And that's how you get found. Not by being perfect, but by just being you. This is your permission slip. Now, I am putting together the finishing touches on the full YouTube anti-playbook for creators over 40, 50, 60, 70, heck, even 80, 90, 100. And if you'd like early access as soon as it's released, just join my weekly newsletter using the link below in the description. You'll get a spot on the waitlist, that's the most important thing, plus weekly tips and stories to help you grow your channel with confidence and authenticity, just like Dr. Connie numbers. Now, if you want to go deeper right now, watch this video here. Don't niche down because you are the niche. And I'll see you over there. Take care. Much love. Big Daddy out.